I'm so excited about all of the techniques you're going to learn in this course. Here are a few examples of cake designs we're going to cover, but there are 50 different techniques to frost and decorate cakes, which you'll be able to master no matter what your experience level is. I've been decorating cakes for over 10 years and teaching how to decorate them for 4 years, and I'm passionate about breaking down techniques into manageable steps that anyone can follow, and sharing the tiny details like what angle to hold your offset spatula, or at what point to press your frosting smoother against the cake, or how many minutes a cake needs to be in the fridge before you can move on to the next part of a technique. So even if you've never frosted a cake before, I'm confident that this course will teach you how to decorate stunning cakes. If you're more experienced, I know there are going to be techniques in this course that you haven't tried, and that this course will take your cakes to the next level. By the end of this course, you'll be able to create cakes where the style of frosting is the only decoration needed, as well as decorating cakes with details made out of chocolate, sugar, sprinkles, buttercream, and more. We're going to cover a lot of material using a lot of cakes that took almost 100 hours to decorate in total, but I've broken everything down into 6 modules, and each module will cover techniques for a particular aspect of a cake. The basics, frosting, decorative details, borders, cake toppers, and writing on cakes. I'll show you every step of every technique with clear, concise explanations of what to do, what not to do, how to fix any mistakes that happen along the way, and how to take each technique to the next level to make your cakes even more elaborate. You can replicate the techniques and examples in this course exactly as they're shown here, or use them as inspiration to create your own stunning cake designs that will catch everyone's attention.